Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to connect Fire Stick to hotel Wi-Fi without remote. Here is what you need to do to connect your Amazon Fire TV stick in your hotel room when you have forgotten or misplaced its remote. For this, first step is download and install the Fire TV app onto an iPhone or iPad or an Android smartphone or tablet. After that, connect your secondary device into the hotel Wi-Fi network. You can use a Windows or a Mac laptop, an iPhone or iPad or an Android tablet or smartphone. You can't use the same device that has the Fire TV app installed on it. Now use your secondary device to create Wi-Fi hotspot. You can use your laptop, smartphone or tablet to share your internet connection with nearby devices. You can create mobile hotspot on Windows, Mac, Android and iOS devices. If you don't have a second device to create hotspot ask a hotel staff member to help you with one of these. Just make sure to explain what you are using it for and remember to tell, then it should only take a few minutes. If you previously connected your Amazon Fire TV stick to your device's mobile hotspot, you can skip this step as it should automatically connect to it. If you have not, you will need to change the name and password of your secondary device's mobile hotspot to match those of your home Wi-Fi network. Once done, your Fire Stick will think the mobile hotspot is your home network and connect to it. You can change your Wi-Fi hotspot name and password on the same screen you used to create it. However, if you are using an iPad or iPhone, you change hotspot name by changing the name of your device. You can change your device name as mentioned times as you like. Connect the smart device with the Fire TV app on its newly renamed hotspot. After that, open the Fire TV app. If this is the first time using the Fire TV app, select your Fire Stick from the list of the devices. Your Fire Stick should show a 4-digit code on your hotel room's TV. Enter this code into the Fire TV app on your smart device. You should now be able to use the arrow keys in the Fire TV app to navigate your Fire TV stick. Using the Fire TV app to navigate the Fire TV stick UI and select settings. After that, select network. Locate your hotel room's Wi-Fi network and connect to it. If you can't see it, select See All Networks. Once your Fire Stick is connected to the hotel Wi-Fi, open the internet settings on your primary device and connect it to the hotel Wi-Fi as well. You can use this device as a Fire Stick remote as long they are connected to the hotel Wi-Fi. On your secondary device, turn off the Wi-Fi hotspot feature.